What's up? My name is Fred and I'm the author behind these beautiful artworks and speed art videos. Let's go! Congratulations! You finished the speed art video. Well, what is next, you're asking? Well, there are three options. Number one, you can go and watch another speed art video. Number two, you can check out my other channel, Learn from Fred, where I show tutorials with commentary and with explanations. Or number three, you can go to learnfromfred.com, where you will learn how to master Photoshop, After Effects and create over 60 stunning, beautiful artworks and animations, my dear friend. With that said, hopefully see you in one of my next videos. Love you. Bye bye.